In this video, you'll learn how to create an Amazon affiliate WordPress website using the Elementor free Astra theme. The process involves several steps, including setting up your site and customizing it to suit your needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Look for the section labeled Sites on the home page. Once you locate it, click on that option to proceed to the next screen. After that, you will see a button that says Create with AI. Click this button to initiate the site creation process. This action will lead you to the AI site builder, which simplifies the setup for your affiliate website. Once this appears, you may see a message stating, laying the foundations. This indicates that the AI is preparing to create your site. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request. Next, you will need to be patient while the AI continues to load. During this time, you might notice a loading indicator or progress bar. This is a normal part of the setup process, and it may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the AI has completed the loading phase, you will see a prompt that invites you to make a website as unique as you. This is your cue to start customizing your site to fit your vision. Type in the phrase, create an Amazon affiliate WordPress website with Elementor free Astra theme into the provided text field. This description helps the AI tailor the setup to your specific needs. Next, click on the Enter key to submit your input. A confirmation message may appear, indicating that your request has been processed successfully. When you see a message that confirms WordPress.com can create your Amazon affiliate website based on your input, you are moving forward in the process. This step is crucial for ensuring the site aligns with your goals. Proceed by typing in the option to choose the choice given above. This step helps the AI further refine the setup process based on your specific selections. Once you have typed this in, click Enter again. You should receive a confirmation that your input has been acknowledged. At this point, you will encounter a message asking for your website title, which will be displayed in the Browser tab. Type in your desired website name that reflects your brand. After entering the name, click on Enter to confirm. This action secures your website's title in the setup process. Next, you will need to provide a short tagline or description that summarizes what your site offers. This will be visible in search results and social media previews. Type in your tagline, ensuring it captures the essence of your Amazon affiliate website. After this, click on Enter to proceed. Now, click on the Create My Site button. This is a pivotal moment in the setup process as it finalizes your choices and begins the site creation. Once you click this button, you will see a message that says, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is working on building your website based on the specifications you provided. Wait for the AI to generate your site. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your setup and your internet connection speed. During this time, you might see additional messages indicating that the process is ongoing. It is advisable to be patient as the AI completes the generation. Finally, you may see a message indicating that this might take a while. This is a standard notification during the final stages of site creation. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.